Hey guys, Francesca here and welcome to Fusion Beats Dance Channel. So I have finally put together a very quick choreography to Ek Do Tin. It's such an iconic dance, it's such an iconic song that you don't want to change the choreography of Saraj Khan. Do click below, I've got the reaction there, and check it out what I think as a dancer and a choreographer of the new video clip. So I've been getting these requests to do this little dance, so I thought I'd just do a super quick one. So if you wanted to add it to a routine or do it for a little bit of fun, I've just put some choreography together. So have fun with it, let me know how you go. And I absolutely love hearing you guys performing the routines and learning from the tutorials that I have here on the channel. If you do have any custom songs that you would like to put together, if you've got a wedding coming up and you don't know what to put together, get in touch with me, because no matter where you are in the world, I can still teach you guys through our Fusion Beats Dance channel. Don't forget to share your dances with me and get us on Instagram, so Fusion Beats Dance, as well as us on Facebook as well. So we'll catch you soon. So this, I guess, is just a routine with my choreography. When it comes to Ek Do Tin, nothing beats the choreography of Saraj Khan. She is amazing, and I had the privilege of seeing her about 4 or 5 years ago, I think about 5, when she came down to Adelaide, and it was amazing. So definitely don't want to change any of that choreo that she has made iconic. And Madhuri, well, she's just an amazing dancer and one of my most favorite of all time Bollywood actresses. So I guess I'm just doing something that if you want to have a go doing Ek Do Tin with some other choreography, you could check this out. And I will be teaching this with my group of kids as well. So it's more of you could do group dances, or you could do this as a solo. So at the beginning, we're actually facing the back, okay? And it will say Mohini, Mohini, okay? It says it twice. So what we're going to do is, with our hands flat, we're going over, over, and then it starts with the iconic ding, 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 okay? So over, over, 1, 2, 3, head, then it's hip, hip, when you hear the whistle, okay? So every time you hear the whistle, so it's going to be over, over, then 1, pick up your skirt, 1, 2, 3, head up, up, then you're going to step back, 1, 2, 3, tap, tap in, okay, dun, 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 dun. Alright, so that's going to be your beginning. So let's do it, over, over, 1, 2, 3. So using your shoulders as circles, head up, up, 1, 2, 3, step, step, and in. Okay? Then it says Mohini again. So you can use this then to turn around. And if you're doing it in groups, it'll work even better, because you can do something called a canon, where one person will go Mohini, another one will turn around and do something. Now, you don't need your hands here on the hips. If you want to put it up, if you want to move to the side, you can. So you do however you want to pose, you can. But what you're doing is you're twisting over, okay? And then what I've done in the song is I've sort of cut just that beginning bit, and then we start, okay? So our starting point, as you'll see in the dance cover, so I do have the link below, is we're going 2 hops to the right. As we do that, we're wiping, wiping. Now, because it is fast, don't go up in the air, up in the air. Stay low, okay? So it's 1, 2, and then you're using your bangles, you're going to go ching, ching, okay? So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Use your right hand, spin around, hit, hit. So you're just hitting them together to make a noise. Alright? So ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. You're then going from the side to face the front. We're hopping this way, but our hand is going around, using the back of our hand. So circle, circle, and we're going 1, 2, okay, moving across. So from here, 7, 8, 1, 2. From there, you are going to then move your right leg forward, back, with your hands flat, going left, right. Okay, so let's do that. So we've got circle, circle, up, down, turn around, ching, ching, over, forward, back. Okay, so that's the first section, and that's faster. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, turn and hit, circle, quick. So you're here, you've got your right hand here, so you're going to put your left one behind your head, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3 to the front. When you're at the front, jump forward with your hands in a fan, jump back, step to that corner again, and turn. Okay, so you're going forward, back, turn. Okay, let's do that. Ready? So we're just done this. So 1, 2, 3, forward, back, turn around. You're then going to pick up your skirt, back step, and then using your left hand like a table, like a balance, you're going to go tap, in. Okay? So boom, in. Let's put that all together. So we've got circle, up, down, turn, hit, circle, forward, back, forward, shuffle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, forward, back, turn, run to the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, in. From here, you're going 1, 2, use your elbows, in, out, and then we're going back. So what we're doing is we're jumping back, and you can use your hands in a spirit fingers kind of way, okay? So 1, 2, in, out, back, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so jumping to the right, left, down. So okay, so let's put that bit together. So round and round, in, out. Then it's back, boom. To the right, 1, 2, 3. And while we're here, so boom. Elbow, turn back. So dun. Okay. Then hopping on the right leg and kicking up on the left, you're going 1, 2, 3. Step up and step on your left and go boom. Okay. So hip as you're going forward. So let's do that. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, turn around. Then from here, you've got round, face, forward, hand. From the hand, so you've gone hand, then you're going right, left, right, down, back. So using flat hands, left leg, forward, back. Okay, so we've got tin, forward, back, 1, 2, 3, boom, right, left, right, forward, back, and then you're going 1, 2, 3 to the left, bring your right leg, 1, 2, 3, 4. So elbow and the knee go out. You need to balance to that bit. Okay, so let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn. 1, 2, 3, and forward, forward, side, side, double, forward, back, and then 1, 2, 3, hit, 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 hit. Then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want you to little runs to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, hit, hit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap, 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 in, out. Then you've got hops on the left. So doing this with the right. And as you do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this comes across. Alright? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, over, 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 over. Then you've got down, up, down, up. Then it's finish, finish, finish. Last bit, over, over, over. So it's really quick. So your first bit of choreo that you've got is circle, circle, boom, boom, turn around, hit. Then from there, circle, circle, forward, back, forward, shuffle it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump and turn around. Go back, tap, 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 and 1 and 2. In, out, out, in, out, out. Pull back, jump, 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 jump. Edwin, forward, back. Then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward, forward. Right, left, double. Forward, back. 1, 2, 3. Hit, 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 hit. Run, 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 hit, hit. Run, run, run. Tap, 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 in, out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out, 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 out. Over, tap, over, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out, 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 out. Okay? This song goes on for a very long time, but I just wanted to do a snapshot of a little bit of it, okay? Because I absolutely love the original choreography. Okay, so I'll see you guys next week. Put down your comments of what you want to hear from reactions, also dance covers and tutorials.